A person who writes books is called A. Painter. B. Author. C. Teacher. D. Singer. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Author. Which word means a place where books are kept? A. Kitchen. B. Library. C. Hospital. D. Office. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Library. The opposite of happy is A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Excited. D. Joyful. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Sad. Which word means very big? A. Tiny. B. Huge. C. Small. D. Short. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Huge. What is the meaning of the word brave? A. Afraid. B. Fearless. C. Lazy. D. Quiet. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Fearless. Which word means a person who repairs water pipes? A. Doctor. B. Farmer. C. Plumber. D. Driver. White heavy checkmark answer, C. Plumber. The opposite of cold is A. Cool. B. Hot. C. Warm. D. Wet. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Hot. Break time equals 0. 5s/. Which word means able to wait without getting angry? A. Patient. B. Rude. C. Quick. D. Shy. White heavy checkmark answer, A. Patient. What is the meaning of the word journey? A. A short walk. B. Travel from one place to another. C. A small party. D. A long speech. White heavy checkmark answer, B. Travel from one place to another. The opposite of clean is A. Dirty. B. Neat. C. Fresh. D. Clear. The baby crying now. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Were. White heavy checkmark answer, A. Is. We dinner at 8 o'clock every night. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Ate. D. Eating. White heavy checkmark answer, A. Eat. She to the market yesterday. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Going. White heavy checkmark answer, C. Went. The flowers fresh in the morning. A. Look. B. Looks. C. Looked. D. Looking. White heavy checkmark answer, A. Look.